If you work in life sciences, you already know. Regulatory submission work steals time. Teams burn hours opening every document, guessing the submission type, rebuilding headers, footers, bookmarks, hyperlinks, all before the document reaches your RIM or DMS. Adlib takes the messy middle and makes it automatic. Ingest from the systems you already use, folders, email, DMS, APIs, and Adlib goes to work. It auto-classifies the package, converts any mix of Word, PDFs, images, legacy files, 300 plus types, into a single, searchable, bookmarked PDF with consistent headers and blue underlined hyperlinks. Then it does the smart stuff, generates a clean textual summary for quick context, and extracts the exact attributes you care about. Protocol IDs, PIs, narrative summaries, into JSON your downstream systems and AI can actually use. Compliance? Baked in. Adlib validates against the technical rules that trip submissions, PDF version, blank pages, link styling, file size, and routes good versus needs attention automatically so you fix issues early, not the night before filing. And because reality isn't perfect, the dashboard tells you exactly what failed and why, like flagging an expired lab certificate that humans would miss, then drops the task into a human-in-the-loop review to correct it fast. Oh, and it plays nice with your AI stack. Bring your own models. Adlib preps pristine inputs and routes prompts/results so you get accuracy without the manual cleanup. Bottom line, fewer touchpoints, fewer reworks, cleaner data, faster packages. Your specialists stop babysitting PDFs and start moving submissions forward.